This is Saugeen Times in Southampton, Saugeen Shores. We're going to be a bit jittery here because we are walking on this. Yep, first full day of spring. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it's very windy. I know you think that we're out of focus, but actually it's a blizzard and we can't see. Oh dear. But good news, it's only supposed to continue until Friday, and this is Wednesday. So welcome to spring. Oh my goodness. Not much green going on here, is there? No. Anyway, we are walking and heading toward, that's Highway 21 in front of us in case you don't know, and we're just walking over toward High Street. Oh dear. Anyway, I'm going to ring off for now. Saugeen Times is ringing off for now. And when we get to High Street, we'll pop back on and have another little look at what's going on. Saugeen Times, March the 20th, 2024.